I do not have a retirement plan. And for a long time, that scared the life out of me. But right now, I'm sitting here knowing that this month, like most months lately, I'm going to replace what used to be my full time income without a boss, without my studio, and without a ceiling on what I can earn. And I did it with my phone. If you're a Canadian woman over 40 and you're lying awake at night wondering how you are ever going to afford to retire or even just afford to breathe or leave the house, I need you to stay with me for the next 10 minutes because what I'm about to share with you changed everything for me. And I think it might do the same for you. I'm Julie, a Gen X Canadian UGC creator and educator based in BC. I show Canadian women over 40 how to earn real income from brands and digital products using what I call the 4P method. No big following required, no young face required, and no tech background. Just your phone and a plan. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what that plan looks like and why you are more qualified to do this than you probably think. Let me tell you where I was before this. I owned a permanent makeup and skincare studio. I was good at it and I was very busy. And also, I was exhausted because here's the thing about building a business that lives inside those four walls. Every dollar I made cost me an hour I could not get back in time. More income meant more time in the studio. More time in the studio meant less time at home, less time for my husband, less time for my son Finley, less time for myself. I was not broke, I was trapped. And there is a difference. Broke is a number and trapped is a feeling. And if you have ever sat in a job you resent, watching the clock tick towards a retirement that you can't actually afford, you know exactly what I mean. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A couple of years ago, I started hearing about something called UGC, user generated content. And I watched some more and I kept watching because honestly, my first reaction was, okay, that sounds like something a 22-year-old does in a ring light apartment in New York City. That is not me. I'm in my 50s. I have a dog. I've got a mortgage, a strong opinion about what a good charcuterie board should look like. But I kept coming back to it. And eventually I stopped watching and I started doing. And what happened next genuinely stopped me in my tracks. Here is what UGC actually is. Brands need content constantly. They need real people making real videos about their products, talking head videos, testimonials, voiceovers, tutorials, the kind of content that makes a real woman watch on her phone and think, oh my gosh, she's exactly like me. And if it works for her, it will work for me too. And brands pay creators to make that content for them, not influencers with millions of followers, regular people with phones and opinions. And here's the part nobody talks about enough. Brands are specifically looking for women our age, not just tolerating us, not settling for us, but looking for us because we're the ones actually buying the things. We are the demographic with the most purchasing power of any group right now. And most of the content being made for products targeting women over 40, it's being made by 25-year-olds who have never lived a day of our experience. That is the Gen X gap. And that gap is your opportunity. I want to tell you about the moment I knew this was real. I'd been posting UGC content consistently for a few months when a skincare brand I was already obsessed with slid into my inbox. They wanted to work with me. I had well under 5,000 followers on TikTok. I was in my 50s and they found me. That was my first brand deal. And once that happened, it started to compound. Some Korean skincare brands reached out because they wanted a real woman with real mature skin for their retinol creams. Some menopause companies, some supplement companies all reached out specifically because of my age. Wellness brands reached out, and now I have ongoing relationships with some of these companies. Also, PR agencies started finding me, and none of these were pitched by me. They came to me because I was consistently showing up as exactly who I am, a real Gen X Canadian woman who uses products and has opinions about them. And that is it. That is the whole secret. So now I want to give you the actual framework I use, because this is not just vibes and good luck. There is a system, and I call it the 4P method: phone, portfolio, pitch, paid. 4 steps, that is it. And I'm going to walk you through each one right now. The first P is phone. You do not need a camera. You do not need a ring light. You do not need a studio. You need the phone that is probably sitting next to you or you're looking at right now. That is your entire production setup. Film vertically, find a window for natural sunlight, and face the window. Don't have it behind you. Prop up your phone on a stack of books or grab a $15 tripod from Amazon. Clean your background or use a corner of your living room. That works perfectly. And here's what I want you to hear. I film in my house in regular clothes with no professional equipment, and brands pay me for that content every single month, because authentic beats polished every time, especially in this industry. The second P is portfolio. Before a brand pays you, they want to see what you can do. And the most common reason women stall out before they ever start is that they think they need clients before they can build a portfolio, and you do not. Walk around your house right now, pick out 3 things, 3 products that you genuinely love: your favorite serum or face product, a supplement, a kitchen gadget, your coffee machine, that thing that you tell everybody about. Film a short video for each one using this structure: hook, problem, solution, benefits, call to action. That is the anatomy of a UGC video. Most of the videos you ever make will be like this. Those 3 videos become your portfolio. You build a simple 1-page scrollable website on Canva for free. Add your videos, a short bio, your location, because Canadian brands want Canadian creators, and that matters, and a button that goes straight to your email. Straight to your email. That's your portfolio, done in a weekend. The third P is pitch, and this is where most women freeze. Reaching out to a brand feels terrifying, like you're going to say the wrong thing or come across as desperate, maybe get rejected and want to crawl under the table. I get it. I felt exactly the same way. But here's what I know now. The person reading your pitch is just a person sitting at a desk looking for good creators. You are making their job easier, and there are actually 3 ways to pitch, and one of them does not even require you to reach out at all. The first is having your professional email visible in your bio in every platform. That one move alone has brought me more brand deals than anything else I've done. It is what I call the inbox strategy, and it works while you sleep. The second is cold outreach, a simple, confident email to a brand you genuinely love. Not begging, not apologizing, just a professional creative reaching out to a brand she believes in. The third is UGC platforms, apps and websites where brands post opportunities and creators apply. Great for getting started and building your portfolio fast. 3 methods. Pick one and start. The fourth P is paid. This is my favorite. This is my favorite P because this is where it gets real. Most women start with gifted collaborations, free products in exchange for content, and that is completely legitimate. It is how you build your portfolio and your confidence. But gifted is not the destination. Paid is the destination. And the transition from gifted to paid is simpler than you think. Once a brand has seen the quality of your work, you pitch the next package with a rate attached in Canadian dollars. And here's something that nobody talks about. A lot of the brands reaching out to me pay in USD, American dollars, which means with the current exchange rate, I'm essentially getting a 30% bonus on every single deal. That is not nothing. That is a very Canadian advantage. Now, I am not going to tell you that you will be making consistent income in your first 30 days. But I will tell you that within a year of taking this seriously, that is exactly where I am. Consistent months, income that replaced my full-time studio income, trips to Mexico, Italy coming up, Hawaii's on the books, and I work Monday to Friday. I wake up, have my coffee, do my weight workout, my walk, come home, check my emails for work, organize my inbound requests, write some scripts, film some content. Maybe I'll have some lunch now, walk the dog, send out my invoices, and then I'm pretty much done for the day, and that's around 2 o'clock most days. So that is the after picture, and it started with 4 steps: phone, portfolio, pitch, paid. Now, here's the thing about being Canadian that nobody is talking about. Every single UGC course out there, and there are a lot of them, is built for Americans. American platforms, American tax implications, American brand landscapes. And when you are a Canadian woman trying to follow American advice, you hit walls that nobody warned you about. I know because I hit them, and I figured out how to get around them. There is not a single course out there built specifically for Canadian women over 40 using a named system with Canadian context baked in throughout, until now. I've been building something, a complete step-by-step course for Canadian women over 40 who want to land their first paid brand deal within 30 days. And they'll be using the 4P method: real numbers and real Canadian specific strategies, templates you can use today, and I want you to be the first in the door. If you're ready to stop wondering and start doing, go to the link below and join the early access waitlist right now. Or you can just click the link in the description below. I would genuinely love to see you in there. And if you want to know exactly how I get brands sliding into my inbox, even with a small following, go ahead and watch this video next. I'll see you there.